Lotty, Lotty, Lotty friends. Click, click here. Click, click here. I'm gonna make some Halloween candy. Hello, hello, Halloween candy pop. 3 spoons of glitters, 2 strands of spider silk. Add some pumpkin syrup, now stir for a while. So curious, my special candy. So curious, what flavor will it be? Hello, hello, Halloween candy pop. Hello, hello, Halloween candy pop, pop. Helping you celebrate my magic candy. My Halloween candy recipe. Keep it a secret. 3 purple mushrooms, 3 spoons of boogers. Add some pumpkin